Okay, so today guys, we're going to discuss about the zeros of the exponential function. So brief background about the zeros of the exponential function. Ano po ba yung zeros of the exponential function? Ang zeros of the exponential function, this is the value of the independent variable x that will make the function equal to 0. So ibig sabihin po niyan, ano po ba yung mga value ng x na kung saan, pag substitute natin siya doon sa ating variable, magiging 0 yung value ng ating given function. Then, it is the x-coordinate of the point intersecting the x-axis in the graph. So, pag halimbawa, ginrap natin yung ating exponential function, ito yung point of intersection ng ating graph tsaka yung ating x-axis. So, kung saan siya mag-i-intersect, so yun po yung ating zeros of the exponential function. So, today, we're going to find on how to find the zero of the exponential function given these two functions. Easy example, which is yung f of x is equal to 3 raised to x plus 2 minus 9, and f of x is equal to 5 raised to x minus 125. So sa pagsosolve natin ng zeros of the exponential function guys, so dapat meron tayong basic knowledge about the laws of exponent, paano mag-solve ng exponential equations, and of course, property of equality for exponential equations. But don't worry, pag halimbawa medyo nakalimutan nyo na yung part na yon, so magkakaroon naman tayo ng recap habang nagsosolve tayo ng zeros of the exponential function. Okay, so let us have here the example number 1. F of x is equal to 3 raised to x plus 2 minus 9. So let us find the zeros of the exponential function. So sa pag-solve natin ng zero of the exponential function, meron tayong dalawang steps na kailangan nating tandaan. Ang unang step is we have to equate the function which is equal to 0. Then the second step is to solve for the value of x. Okay, so let us do this. So we have here the given function. So equate down natin siya which is equal to 0. O bring down natin ang f of x magiging 0. So this is 0 which is equal to 3 raised to x plus 2 minus 9. Then lipat natin sa kabila yung negative 9 sa magiging positive 9. So which is equal to 3 raised to x plus 2. So ngayon, paano natin mahanap yung value ng x? So para mahanap natin yung value ng x dito guys, so dapat ang objectives natin is gawin nating equal yung base both sides. Okay? So dito yung base natin is 9, ito naman yung base natin is 3. So paano natin siyang magawang equal sila na base? So we know guys that 9 is just equal siya sa 3 square. Because 3 square is equal to 9. Then, sa kabila naman, this is 3 raised to x plus 2. So as you observe, we have now equal base which is equal to 3. Pag nag-equal na yung base mo both sides, so mag-focus ka na doon ngayon sa iyong exponent. Okay, bring down mo na yung iyong exponent. So dito ang exponent natin is 2. So which is equal to, exponent natin dito is x plus 2. Then solve for the value of x. So this is x. Lipat mo sa bring down yung 2, lipat mo sa kabila yung 2 naman. Magiging negative 2. So therefore, ang x natin is equal to 0. So therefore, ang zeros of a function natin is equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin, pag isa-substitute daw natin yung ating x value dito na nakuha na 0, so magkakaroon tayo dito ng 3 raised to 0 plus 2 minus 9. So, 0 plus 2 is 2. Then, 3 square minus 9 is 9 minus 9. So, as you observe, nagiging equal siya sa 0 yung ating value. Okay? Or di kaya, pag i-graph natin tong ating given function na ito, so ibig sabihin, mag-i-intersect siya doon sa x-axis natin sa 0 na x. Okay, so let us have here an example number 2. So we have here, f of x is equal to 5 raised to x minus 125. So the first step is we have to equate this into 0. So 0 raised to 5 raised to x minus 125. So lipat natin sa kabila yung negative 125. So magiging positive 125, which is equal to 5 raised to x. So ngayon, ang objective natin na gagawin is dapat equal ng base both side. So we know 125 is just also equal siya sa 5 raised to the third power. Okay? Which is equal to 5 raised to x. So ngayon, equal na yun yung base natin both sides. So bring down na lang natin yung ating exponent, which is 3, which is equal to x. So therefore, ang zeros of a function natin is equal to 3. So ibig sabihin, itong equation na ito is magiging 0 siya if and only if the value of our x is equal to 3. So if we're going to check that one, 5 cube is 125. 125 minus 125 is equal siya sa 0. Tama. Okay, so ibig sabihin yan, pag i-graph din naman natin, so ibig sabihin, mag-i-intersect yung ating graph doon sa ating x-axis na 3. Okay, so doon sila magtatagpo yung ating graph tsaka yung ating x-axis. Okay, so let us have here example number 3. Our given function is h of x is equal to 3 raised to 4x minus 3 minus 1. So same as usual, the first step is we have to equate this sa 0. So this is 3 raised to 4x minus 3 minus 1. So lipat natin sa kabila yung negative 1. So magiging positive 1, which is equal to 3 raised to 4x minus 3. So ngayon, ano ang gagawin natin para mag-equal yung base both sides? Okay? So yung isa natin na base is 1, yung isa naman is 3. So anong naisip ninyo na pwede natin gawin dyan? So hindi naman pwede natin gawin na yung 3 is gawin natin siyang 1. Tapos mag-isip tayo ng kanyang exponent. Kasi kung ang base natin is 1, kahit ano ang kanyang exponent, mag-e-end up pa rin siya sa value which is equal to 1. So dito, papasok ngayon yung isang property ng ating law of the exponent, which is yung tinatawag natin na zero exponent, na kung saan ang sinasabi sa law na yon, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1 daw. Okay? So ibig sabihin yan, itong ano natin, ang 1 natin na base, pwede natin siyang gawing 3. Then, raised to 0, which is equal to 3 raised to 4x minus 3. So ngayon, equal na sila ng base. So pag equal na yan ng base, focus na tayo doon sa ating exponent. So therefore, ang exponent natin this is 0. Dito naman is 4x minus 3. Then solve for the value of x. So bring down natin yung 4x. Lipat natin sa kabila yung negative 3. This is 3. So therefore, divide both sides by 4. By 4. So cancel natin yan. So ang x natin is equal siya sa 3/4. So ibig sabihin, magsi-0 itong ating given function if and only if the value of our x is equal siya sa 3/4. Or, yung graph natin ay magta-touch siya doon sa x-axis natin, doon sa x which is equal to 3/4. So therefore, the zeros of a function is equal to 3/4. So proceed naman tayo sa example number 4. So we have here, f of x is equal to 5 raised to x. So same as usual, so 0, which is equal to 5 raised to x. So ano ang gagawin natin para mag-equal sila sa bawat isa? So anong pwede natin isa-substitute dito sa ating x dito, na kung saan ang kanyang kalalabasan, pag substitute natin, ay mag-i-equal siya sa 0. So, halimbawa, 5 raised to 1 is just equal to 5. 5 raised to 2 is 25. Okay? So, dito, wala tayong mahanap na any value ng x na kung saan pag ilagay natin siya sa exponent, mag-i-equal siya sa 0. So, ano ang conclusion natin dito pag ganito? So, ibig sabihin yan, wala siyang 0 yung ating given function na f of x, which is 5 raised to x. Or di kaya, walang part doon sa graph natin na magta-touch sa x-axis. Okay, so let us have here another example. So we have here this given function, f of x is equal to 5 raised to 3x plus 2 minus 1 all over 125 raised to 2x minus 3. So same as usual, equate natin sa 0. So this is 0. Copy lang natin to 5 raised to 3x plus 2 minus 1 all over 125 raised to 2x minus 3. So, in this case, gagawin natin, ilipat natin yung isang expression sa kabila. So, lipat natin sa kabilang side ito. So, magiging 1 all over 125 raised to 2x minus 3. So, which is equal to 5 raised to 3x plus 2. So, in this case, guys, magkaiba tayo ng base natin. Ang isa is 1 over 125, ang isa naman is 5. So, ano ang gagawin natin? So, dito ngayon, papasok yung isang law of the exponent natin or which is in a form of the negative exponents. So, ano po bang sinasabi ng negative exponent? If we have the number daw with a negative exponent, so this is just equal to its reciprocal. Tapos yung kanyang exponent magiging positive. So ano bang reciprocal ng n? So magiging 1 over n. Tapos yung negative exponent natin magiging positive. So nx. Okay? Or vice versa. Pag ganito yung given natin, so pwede natin express na ganito. Pag ganito naman yung given natin, pwede natin siya express na ganito. So in this case, 1 over 125, so we know this is equivalent to 1 all over 5 cube. Okay? Raised to 2x minus 3, which is equal to 5 raised to 3x plus 2. So in this case, ito yung given natin, ito yung form natin. So gagawin natin siyang ganito. Okay? So using the law of exponent. So therefore, kunin natin ang reciprocal nito. So magiging 5 raised to negative 3 na. Okay? Quantity of 2x minus 3, which is equal to 5 raised to 3x plus 2. So in this case, distribute muna natin to dito. So this is 5 raised to negative 3 times 2x. This is negative 6x. Then negative 3 times 3, positive 9, which is equal to 5 raised to 3x plus 2. So in this case, meron na tayong the same na base. So ignore na natin yung base natin. Focus na tayo doon sa ating exponent, which is yung negative 6x plus 9, which is equal to 3x plus 2. So in this case, solve for the value of x, so negative 6x. Lipat natin sa kabila yung positive 3x, magiging negative 3x. So which is equal siya sa 2. Lipat natin sa kabila itong 9, so magiging negative 9. Then, negative 6x tsaka 3x is negative 9x, which is equal to negative 7. Because 2 minus 9 is negative 7. Then, divide both sides by negative 9, negative 9. So, therefore, ang x natin is equal siya sa positive 7 over 9. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating given function na ito is magzero siya if the value of our x is 7 over 9 or yung graph natin ay magta-touch siya doon sa ating x-axis na 7/9. Okay, so let us have here the last example. So we have here g of x is equal to 4 raised to 3x plus 7 minus 64 raised to 2x minus 3. So same as usual, equate natin sa 0. So this is 4 raised to 3x plus 7 minus 64 raised to 2x minus 3. Okay? Then lipat natin yung isang expression sa kabila. So from negative magiging positive. So this is negative 64. No, positive pala kasi maging positive na yan. Positive 64 raised to 2x minus 3 which is equal to 4 raised to 3x plus 7. So in this case, ano ang gagawin natin para mag-equal yung base both sides? So pwede natin siyang gagawin na 2 raised to 8 quantity of or exponent niya is 2x minus 3 which is equal siya sa 2 raised to 2 then exponent niya na 3x plus 7. Distribute muna natin yung ating 8 dito. So this is 16x then this is 24 negative 24 which is equal to 3x plus 7. Then, solve for the value of x. So, this is 6x or 16x minus 3x. Nilipat lang natin yung positive 3x. Then, which is equal to, bring down yung 7. Lipat yung positive, negative 24 magiging positive 24. So, 16x minus 3x. So, this is equal to 13x which is equal to 31. Then, divide both sides by 13 by 13. So, ang x natin is equivalent to 31/13. So, ibig sabihin, mag-0 yung ating given function if and only if the value of our x is equal siya sa 31/13 or mag-i-intersect yung graph natin doon sa ating x-axis sa x natin na 31/13. Okay, so that is our discussion for finding the zeros of the exponential function. So kahit papaano, kung may natutunan sana kayo. And if you have question, feel free to ask questions sa ating comment section. And of course, feel free na rin to follow and subscribe para updated kayo sa mga bagong lesson na ina-upload ko dito sa channel na ito.